It's a pillow. Well, I'm using this pillow so that I could rest my arms on. Normally it's to rest your head when you go to sleep on bed. But I'm holding a pillow. It's a pillow. It's so comfy. Get comfy on a pillow. That's why I have this pillow. You just use this pillow to get comfy. You can lie yourself here so that it could be comfortable. It's nice pillow.